Hello, I am Devi Abhirami, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalushmi College of Arts and Science. Today I am going to take a lecture video on measures of central tendency. In measures of central tendency, we have three major topics, that is arithmetic mean, median and mode. So, measures of central tendency is divided into three types. First one is mean, second one is median, and third one is mode. From this today we are going to see about mean. Okay, in mean there are three types of mean. Type 1 indicates the individual series. In type 1, we have only the individual set of series, that is individual set of data. In type 2, we have discrete set of data, that is, we have the data, for example, marks in the class and the number of students. For that type of data, we can solve by using discrete series formula. And the third type is continuous series. Continuous series means nothing but the data will be in the form of a class interval. Okay. There are different formulas for these three different types. For type 1, we will discuss only about the individual data. In general, the mean is denoted as x bar. So, x bar is equal to summation x by capital N. Summation x denotes that the sum of all observations which are given in our data. Capital N is nothing but the number of data which are given in our data. Okay. Type 2 discrete series contains two types of data, that is, one is marks and the number of students. The first data is considered as an x and the number of students, second data is considered as a frequency. It is denoted as f. And their corresponding formula is x bar is equal to summation fx by summation f. First we have to multiply the value of f and x, and altogether we have to take the sum of those values which indicate summation fx. Whereas the frequency, sum of frequency is said to be as a summation f. Okay. My last type is continuous series. In continuous series, the data will be in the form of interval. For example, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like that. Okay. So in that, we can calculate the middle value of this interval. So their corresponding formula is x bar is equal to summation fm by summation f. Here also f is denoted as a frequency and m is the middle value. Okay. Median and mode will be carried out in our next video. Now we are going to see a problem using type 2 discrete series to find the arithmetic mean, and my problem is here we are going to calculate mean for this data. My data is marks and the number of students. Mark is denoted as x and the number of students is denoted as f. And my data are 40, 50, 54, 60, 68, 80 and their total is given. Frequency is the mark 40 is got by 10 students and mark 50 is got by 18 students. This is how the frequency will be calculated and which had given in our problem itself. So I am going to put in a tablet form. So in my tablet form, they have given x and f value. It is a two-type data, so it is of a type 2 data. So for my formula is x bar is equal to summation fx by summation f. To solve this problem, I have to calculate the value of fx. Fx means the marks and the number of students has to be multiplied. So fx is calculated by the multiplied by the x and f. 40 into 10 is 400, 50 into 18 is 900, 54 into 20 is 1080. 60 into 39 is 2340, 68 into 15 is 1020 and 80 into 8 is 640. Okay, this is the multiplication of frequency and the marks which have given in our data, and the sum of the frequency is denoted as summation f. So by adding those terms of the frequency value, we will get 110. Okay. Similarly, we are going to add these fx value also. While adding, we get the summation value as 6380. Okay. Now my formula is mean is equal to summation fx by summation f. That is the multiplication of the frequency and x value should be divided by the number of frequency. Okay, sum of frequency. So my answer is 6380 should be divided by 110. 0 will be cancelled. So my mean values, if I divide it 638 divided by 11, if I divide it by 11, I will get the answer as 58. So the arithmetic mean for this given data is 58. This is how we have to calculate the arithmetic mean for the type 2 discrete series. Thank you.